Hi guys, it's Jess and welcome back to my channel. I'm here with part 2 of my couponing 101 series. People were asking about just how do we do the basics at certain stores. I have already done a CVS one, which I'll link in the card above, but here is the time to shine for Walgreens. So let's get into how to coupon at Walgreens, couponing 101. So as I said, this is a 101 series, so like the name implies, we do go back to basics, and then we start with what is Walgreens. The Walgreens Company, or simply Walgreens, is an American company that operates as the second largest pharmacy store chain in the United States behind CVS. It specializes in filling prescriptions, health and wellness products, health information and photo services, and as of August 31st, 2016, the company operated 8,175 stores in all 50 states, the District of Columbia, Puerto Rico, and the US Virgin Islands. To find where your nearest Walgreens store is, head to walgreens.com and click the Find a Store button in the top left-hand corner, enter your zip code and it will tell you your nearest store. As you can see from the map here, there are stores all over, except for obviously the most remote parts of each state, but you should have one not too far from you, or if not, there is always walgreens.com. So the most important thing to know about couponing at Walgreens is their loyalty program. At Walgreens, the loyalty program is the Balance Reward program. You can sign up online at walgreens.com. And then there's a section on the top left-hand side called Balance Reward. Click that, click register, or there is a link here on the screen, and I'll make sure I leave it in the description box below. You'll sign up and you'll need to pop in your phone number, because your phone number is what you enter at the register to have your rewards program entered. So what are the benefits of the Balance Rewards program? The main benefit is sale prices for card holders. So if you see a price in the weekly ad or in store, you will need your card to get that price. You will earn Balance Rewards points, which are converted into rewards dollars to be redeemed in store or online. You'll get personalized perks throughout the year to earn additional points. There are birthday month points boosters, so you'll earn more points in the month of your birth, and you'll also earn 10 points for every $1 you spend every day in every transaction. Balance Rewards also has 2 additional sort of bonus programs. The first is Beauty Enthusiast. This is the equivalent of the CVS Beauty Club, and it's a rewards program that rewards you with 5,000 points, which is the equivalent of $5 for every $50 spent on qualifying items. So that includes cosmetics, hair care, and those sort of items. As of August the 19th, so this upcoming Sunday, if you're just watching this video today, or if you're going into the future from that date, the following items will no longer qualify: oral care, shaving, deodorant, and men's grooming. So it is sort of following the CVS line about reducing the number of items that qualify. However, because it is the $50 spend requirement, it is a lot harder to hit more regularly than at CVS. So Balance Rewards also has something called Healthy Choices. This is where if you log on to the Walgreens app or the website and connect your fitness app or tracker, you can earn bonus points for exercise, weigh-ins, sleeps, and your sleep and blood pressure testing, amongst other items. And it's just an additional way to get up to, I think it's 1,000 or 2,000 points per month, so the equivalent of $1 or $2, but every point helps. So the next thing you'll need to know about couponing at Walgreens is about store coupons and the Walgreens saving books. So Walgreens has store coupons, otherwise known as IVCs, which can be combined with manufacturer coupons for additional savings. They can be found on Catalinas, which print out from the Catalina machine next to the register, in your Walgreens account, or in the little booklet handed out in store known as the Walgreens Savings Book. The Walgreens Savings Book changes monthly. Any coupon in the book will automatically apply to all eligible items in your transaction once it has been scanned. For example, if it is for $1 off, say Pantene, and you have 3 bottles, $3 will come off, 1 for each item. So what should be your first step for couponing at Walgreens, obviously other than signing up for Balance Rewards, and that is to download the Walgreens app. I have the addresses on screen and in the description box for both iTunes and Android. So you open the app and log into your Walgreens account, which you'll have created when signing up for Balance Rewards. So here are just some images from inside the app. On the left-hand side, we have just the different categories that are in the app. So you can look up prescriptions, health services, you can actually online shop, you can submit your photos, you can look at weekly ad and coupons, Balance Rewards, or find your store. The middle image is just what you'll see in the Balance Rewards screen. So it will tell you your points balance, how much it is worth, and also the Beauty Enthusiast, how well you are tracking towards that and when you'll hit that reward. And then the image on the right is if you go into weekly ad and coupons, up the top you can click in your current weekly ad, or if it's towards the end of the week, the next week's ad. Then you can see all available coupons and clip which ones you want to use, and also it will show you which ones you already have clipped to your card. The benefit of the Walgreens app is if you click on the further details or see details selection of each coupon, there is a button for qualifying items and it will show you which coupon you can use it for what items. So let's talk about balance rewards points. Balance rewards points are the equivalent of store currency and are earned by meeting the requirements of certain promotions. Points expire 1 year after they are earned, or if an account has been inactive for 6 months. Walgreens deems your account inactive if you have not used your card in store or online. They are personal and you cannot transfer points to another account. Balance rewards points come in sort of $1,000 point thresholds, and then as you go up the scale, points become worth more and more. So here's just this Walgreens points scale. This is also found on the back of every receipt you do. So if you ever get confused, just look in your receipt or in the app. So 1,000 points is the equivalent of $1. 2,000 is 2. 3,000 is 3. 5,000 is 5. 10,000 is 10. Now, when you get up to the next stage, to get $20 worth of points, you only need 18,000 points. 30,000 points will get you a $35 reward, and 40,000 points will get you a $50 reward. And $50 or 40,000 points is the most you can redeem in one transaction. So how do you earn points other than through the everyday spend of 10 points per dollar? That is through points promotions, and Walgreens has two different types of points promotions. The first is a spend promotion. So as you can see in the example here, L'Oreal this week was buy one, get one 50%, plus spend $30, get 10,000 points. So these have to be completed in one transaction, and you must meet the spend threshold before manufacturer coupons are applied and after any store coupons, including those in the monthly savings book, are applied also. And then we have the other type of promotion, which is a buy promotion. As you can see in this example, Colgate was when you buy 2, you'll get 2,000 points. Again, has to be completed in one transaction, and you must meet the item threshold for the points to be awarded. Another type of promotion Walgreens has is register awards. When you purchase an identified product, a Catalina, which is again that little machine next to the register that prints out little white tickets, it will print out a coupon for an identified value. This is treated as a coupon and can be used on future transactions. It cannot be paired with a manufacturer coupon on a single item. So if you have a register award for $10 and you want to buy a $10 thing of paper towel and you have a $1 manufacturer coupon, you couldn't use both. You'd need another item to attach the register award to. So in the example on the screen, we have the Gillette razors. They were $6.99, and when you bought one, you got a $5 register award, which would have printed out to be used in a future transaction. Register award deals can be done multiple times. However, you cannot do more than one item per transaction for the same register award. So I could do 12 different Gillette deals that week and get 12 different register awards, but if I bought 12 in one transaction, only one would print, and I cannot use the reward I used from the first transaction on the Gillette to purchase another Gillette product, or it won't print out. I can use it on another deal to print a different register award, but just not the same one that earned that register award. Walgreens also has what is known as points boosters. They are promotions where generally if you spend a certain amount, Walgreens will award you a set number of points. They can be personalized and found in your balance rewards as members only perks, or they can be store-wide and found in the weekly ad. They may also print out as a Catalina after your transaction. Now, Walgreens will not tell you this, but a paper points booster, so a Catalina version or an ad, can be combined with a digital points booster in your app, and you'll get both lots of points. So if, say, you had a Catalina for spend 20, get 5, and one in your app for spend 20, get 5, you could combine both together, spend $20, and then get 10,000 points back. So how do you redeem all these points that you're earning at Walgreens? So there are a few different ways. If you are just doing a standard transaction where none of the items you're purchasing have any points deals attached to them, so none of them have a buy or a spend promotion, you can just redeem your points as is. Just tell the cashier you'd like to pay in points and select the denomination you would like to use. Some states allow you to use points towards tax, others don't, so just ask with your store if you're able to do that. Otherwise, just pay the most amount you can do. If it's a buy points promotion, so for example, if the promotion is for buy 2 items and get 2,000 points, you can redeem 2,000 points when you're paying and get 2,000 points back. This is known as rolling points at Walgreens, and you can absolutely do that on any buy promotion. The more complicated scenario is if you want to redeem points on a spend points promotion. The general rule has always been that if the promotion is, say, spend $30 and get 10,000 points, you could not redeem points and earn points back. Walgreens' policy is that you can redeem points, but points will not be earned on the portion of a transaction that was paid for using redemption dollars or store credit. However, there is a way to still do this and still earn points, and the easiest way to think about it is this. Your subtotal minus any Walgreens coupons, so store coupons, those in the monthly savings book minus any points you want to redeem has to be equal to or greater than the threshold amount of the promotion. So if it was spend 25, get 5,000 points. If your subtotal minus any store coupons minus any points you want to redeem is still greater than 25, you can redeem points. So the easiest way to describe this is through giving you scenarios. We'll look at two, one where you could not redeem points on a spend promotion and one where you could. Both these scenarios assume you have a spend 25, get 10,000 points scenario. So you could buy, in this scenario, 2 Tide Pods at $4.99, 2 Tide Liquids at $4.99, and 2 Mitchum deodorants at $2.99. Your total would be $25.94, so you've met the threshold requirements. However, you could not roll points as you need to hit the $25 before any coupons are taken off. So if you took off $16 in coupons, for example, in that scenario, you'd have to pay $9.94 out of pocket. You couldn't roll points, but you'd still get your points back. In that scenario, it would be a $5 moneymaker. In scenario 2, we buy the same items, but then we throw in some Pantene and a Snickers, and our total gets to $46. To still hit the $25 spend threshold, we could use up to $20 in points, because $46 minus 20 would equal $26.10. So our subtotal minus Walgreens coupons and redeemed points would still be above that $25 threshold. So our total after that would be $20.10. Sorry, our total after taking off the 20,000 points would be $26.10. Then we'd use whatever coupons we have. In this scenario, there was $26. That means we'd pay just 10 cents out of pocket plus tax, and then we'd get back the points we were using. So we rolled $20,000 in points and we got back $23. So it still ends up being a money maker, and we were able to roll points on a spend scenario. So let's Walgreens coupon policy, noting that this can be amended at any time. So this is the coupon policy as of August the 12th, 2018, and this was just found on walgreens.com. So it says this policy may change at any time without notice or advertisement, and it shall be made available upon request in store or online at walgreens.com/coupon policy. Any coupon offer not covered by the guidelines shall be accepted at the discretion of Walgreens management. So we have the general guidelines. All coupons are to be presented at the time of checkout. Walgreens does not accept expired coupons. Walgreens does not accept fraudulent or counterfeit coupons as determined by Walgreens. Unless otherwise specified, all coupons have no cash value. Coupons and their face value cannot be exchanged for cash or gift cards. They do not accept competitors' coupon. The number of manufacturer coupons, including register rewards, savings rewards, manufacturer coupons, shall not exceed the number of items in the transaction. The total value of the coupons shall not exceed the value of the transaction, and sales tax must be paid if required by state law. Walgreens will not accept coupons that exceed the selling price of an item, and no cashback is ever provided in exchange for any coupons. So this is where it will depend on your store, whether or not they'll take a coupon, say for $2 on a $1.99 item, because technically you have 1 cent overage. Some stores will allow you to do that as long as you have something else in your transaction to absorb that 1 cent. My store will just not allow you to use that coupon at all, so it does depend, and it is up to the manager at each store. Coupons that appear distorted, blurry, or altered in any way shall not be accepted, and all must have a clear and scannable barcode. For offers when multiple items are purchased and additional items are free, buy one, get one free, buy two, get one free, etc., the number of coupons applied to that offer cannot exceed the number of items required in the buy portion of the offer. So if you have buy one, get one free, you can only use one coupon. You cannot use a coupon on the free item. Coupons may not be applied against any free item received in the offer. Paper coupons will be processed before digital coupons. Walgreens shall not accept coupons for items not carried in our stores. Walgreens reserves the right to limit quantities to customers and employees. Manufacturer coupons must have a valid redemption address. Coupons may be subject to advertised offer limitations and all other limitations and restrictions on the applicable coupon or product. And Walgreens shall accept manufacturer coupons for items that are on sale. So they have specific additional guidelines as well. For multiple coupons, when purchasing a single item, Walgreens accepts one manufacturer coupon and one applicable Walgreens coupon for the purchase of a single item, unless prohibited by either coupon offer. So that means you can use a manufacturer's coupon and, say, a coupon in that month's Walgreens savings book. And when purchasing multiple items, Walgreens accept multiple coupons for multiple qualifying items, as long as there is sufficient stock to satisfy other customers, unless a limit is specified on the coupon. Management reserves the right to limit the quantity of items purchased and or prohibit the purchase of excessive quantities. An excessive quantity is any quantity above and beyond normal household usage. So buy one, get one free coupons. When items are featured in a buy one, get one free promotion, at least one product needs to be purchased. A maximum of one buy one, get one coupon is permitted per 2 qualifying items in a buy one, get one offer. So you can't use a buy one, get one free if there is a buy one, get one in free in store and try and get both items for free. They're saying you still have to pay for one item. Internet printable coupon items. Walgreens shall not accept free product internet printed coupons. Register awards. Register awards will only print for in-stock merchandise during the promotion period. They can only be earned for eligible items and no substitutions are permitted. There is a limit of 1 register award coupon per offer per customer per transaction, and customers redeeming a register award against the same offer may not receive another register award back. Then we have redeeming rewards. The number of manufacturers' coupons, including register awards, shall not exceed the number of items in transactions. That's why when we go back to register awards, we talk about filler items. They shall be forfeited if the qualifying merchandise is returned. Can only be redeemed for eligible items. Ineligible items include but are not limited to alcohol, dairy, gift cards, healthcare services, lottery tickets, money orders, stamps, prescription saving clubs, membership fees, prescriptions, special event entertainment tickets or passes, tobacco products, transportation passes, and any passes prohibited by law, any items prohibited by law. And we have digital coupons. Only digital coupons attached to your Walgreens Balance Rewards account shall be honoured. Digital reproductions of offers shall not be accepted, such as using a mobile application to reproduce an image of an offer or a coupon. And then total store offers and coupons. Total store offers, coupons, etc. 20% off your whole purchase. Seniors Day, Friends and Family Day are not combinable with the buy one, get one free, buy one, get one 50%, or buy two, get the third free promotions or any employee discount. So that is the Walgreens coupon policy as of the 12th of August. As I said, it can change at any time, and limits and stuff are up to the discretion of the store is what you need to know. So how do you coupon in store? Well, the best way to coupon at Walgreens is to have a plan before you go in. You can find the weekly ad on the Walgreens website, usually the Thursday before the next sale period begins, or you can follow YouTubers such as myself for early previews. I try and get it out at least a week before for you, so usually on the Saturday or Sunday of the week prior, just so you can see what's coming up. You then pick the deals that work for you based on the coupons you have and the amount that you would like to spend out of pocket. If you do a lot of spend points promotions, you may end up still having a high out of pocket, and if you don't want to do that, just work out the deals that work for you. You then clip your coupons you know you'll be using, both paper and digital. Make sure you have the digital clipped at least before you get into store, because sometimes they won't apply if you have just clipped them, and obviously bring them with you to the store, find the products in store, and then bring them to the register. So once you've done that, you're at the register, and this is what happens. The cashier will begin scanning your items, and you then enter your phone number associated with your account on the keypad next to the register, so where you scan your credit card to pay, scan it there, or have them scan the card in your app. Once your items have all been scanned, hand over your coupons, including manufacturer coupons, register awards, and points boosters you have, and also the Walgreens savings book. If you're going to use that paper, just show them where each one is in there and get them to scan that. So follow the screen and make sure all your coupons are coming off, particularly digital coupons. Now, some people say that you have to hand points boosters over at the beginning or they won't work. In my experience, they'll still work even if you hand them over after manufacturer coupons, and some stores still insist on that and it still works. So if you want to hand it over first and your store allows that, still do that. But if not, you shouldn't have any problems even if it goes through after your manufacturer coupons. So once you have your total, provide your payment. If your scenario has you paying with points, tell the cashier you'd like to do so, and then on that little touch screen, it will ask you to select the amount you want to use. In some regions, you can use any combination of the points based on that table on the back of the receipt. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 10, 20, 35, and 40. However, in my state, I know that all the stores I coupon at, $5 is actually the minimum I can spend. So you'll have to work out with your store what they do and what is your minimum amount, but just use as many as you'd like to use. And then it will ask you to enter your zip code to confirm that you are the account holder redeeming those points. Once you've done that, if you have any balance, pay that. So check the bottom of your receipt once you get it to ensure that any points you should have earned have been credited. If not, ask a manager in store to issue them. They have that ability in store, unlike CVS, to sort of fix bigger issues. They have the ability to award points in any scenario. So it's compensation for things going wrong, courtesy points, all those sorts of things. So if you have a chance, do it in store, and the manager should be able to fix it for you on the spot, but hopefully you don't have any issues, and then you'll have all your goods that you'll have paid, and hopefully you've got a money maker deal and you're heading out of the store. So here's just one example transaction. This is a really simple one with register awards. I'm using it from this week's examples for you. Gillette free razors are on sale for $6.99, and when you purchase one, you're meant to receive a $5 register reward. You'd pick one up, take it up to the register, and once they've scanned it, enter your phone number into the keypad. You'd hand over your $1 off one Gillette coupon from the $7.29 PNG, or if you had the digital clip to your card, it should automatically come off. Your total will now be $5.99. If you're brand new and have no Walgreens points, you would pay this whole amount out of pocket. And once you have paid, a register reward for $5 will print for you to use in a future transaction. If you have a points balance, you could ask them to redeem 5,000 points. Your new total would be 99 cents, and then you get back that $5 register reward, meaning your final price is still just that 99 cents because you've rolled register points to turn into a register reward, so you're not out of pocket at all for that $5. So there's one last thing I'd like to mention. So if you had any issues in store, Walgreens customer service is some of the best out there. If you have any issues, you can call them on 1-800-925-4733. They are fantastic at fixing errors where points have not been awarded when they should have been, or where digital coupons have not come off as expected. They'll rectify the mistake by issuing you with points in the amount either that you should have earned through a points promotion or in the equivalent amount to what a coupon would have taken off. So if a $3 digital coupon did not come off, they will give you 3,000 points, and they're so happy to do it, and they never have any issues, and it's honestly some of the best customer service you'll get, especially when you compare it to CVS. And unlike CVS, you don't have to wait. You can literally ring as soon as you've left the register. They can see the receipts straight away. You don't have to wait the 48 hours like at CVS. So if you ever had any issues, don't feel worried about calling them. They're there to help you, and they always do. So that was my How to Coupon at Walgreens Couponing 101 video, guys. I know it's a lot of information, but it was intended at beginners. Hopefully it answered all your questions. If you do have any additional questions, I'd love it if you'd leave them in the comments below, and I'm happy to do a follow-up question answer video, particularly if you have questions around those rolling points, spending points, and all those sort of things. Happy to answer any questions you might have. So thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, share, or comment below. If you've not yet done so, I would love it if you subscribe to my channel. And if you are a subscriber, make sure you've got that little bell icon clicked so you're notified every time I post a new video. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye.